Lol. See, full of forest, man. I really love it. Yeah, no disturbance of public also. No other sounds, noise pollutions, air pollutions. No disturbance of public. Hello, hi everyone. Welcome back to Vijay Bruce Lee channel. You know what? Early morning, nature is. I love nature, man. You see the forest. Full fog, non-Bangaloreans cannot stay this cold. Even I'm wearing jerkin because I got cold. Or else I won't. This got adjust. Guys. I'll show you this the place, which how it is. I got settled down right now into the real nature, the forest. What to say? Got really irritate and hate, man. The traffic of Bengaluru, whatever, and smoke, air pollutions. Stop air pollutions this year upcoming. Start buying electrical vehicles, eco-friendly vehicles. Don't spoil the nature. It's my real request for you all for this upcoming new year. Along with that, what to say, for my employers and my students, everybody, public, my subscribers, film industry, especially elders. Here, we elders, I'll tell you later what is I'm going to do in the future. About social service. That I'll tell you later. For you all, everyone, wish you a happy New Year for you all. All right. Eldrigu, namaskara. Ellarkum vanakkam. Namaste. Vasavasya. Pudhu varsham. Naya, what to say, right? So, anyways, all the best for you all. Happy New Year, right? See the place, how it is, you should all don't spoil don't cut the tree, don't use more plastic, because everybody from morning till night, whatever you use the products, the heatable things, brush, you teeth a brush, yeah, bucket, plastic, milk packet is a plastic, yeah. If you buy any kind of foods to buy parcel, that is also some hotels, they'll give you silver foil. Not all the hotels, they also plastic. Chutney, sambar, idli, dosa, whatever, everything plastic. Don't spoil the nature, earth, man, please. Is my request for everybody this upcoming new year. ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಒಂದೇ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾರು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ பண்ணாதீங்க. It's completely unhealthy also. You know what, guys? Nature is really good, You know what? I feel very good here. I hate city, man, because irritates sound, noise pollutions, air pollutions. Apart from that, nature we lost. Apartments, wherever you go, apartments, flats. Can't do anything, but you can change if you really think. You think if you can change, right? Anyways, wish you a happy new year for everybody. Bye bye. See you.